Mini split versus regular air conditioner. What's better, a mini split or a regular air conditioner? Let's talk about the benefits and why you should get a mini split versus a regular air conditioner. Today I'm going to give you live examples. Let's get started. This conventional air conditioning system has one single speed. It goes on and then it goes off. And when it goes on, it pulls the same amount of power that it does every time. It doesn't vary its capacity to meet the demand or the load of the structure. During different conditions outside, you don't need the same amount of BTU to heat and cool your home. In fact, you need a different amount of BTU. A mini split or a ductless unit has the ability to vary its capacity to meet the exact load's demand or needs, therefore making the use of the energy that you require more efficient. This unit turns on and has the same amount of output that it has each time. So being able to vary your capacity to meet the load of your structure during the 70-degree day as well as the 80 to the 90-degree day is very important. Let's talk about the technology that it uses, and then we'll talk about some more examples of why mini splits are way more efficient than this traditional air conditioning system. This is a Samsung ductless mini split system. I carry Samsung and that's my major brand. I know how to work on them, install them, and I love the system design. Not only that, but I've been able to be a part of tons of projects, and I have customers rave about how much energy that they have saved from switching to Samsung. So let's talk about this unit. It uses inverter technology and it has BLDC compressor motors and fan motors. They're three-phase. So three-phase is much better than single-phase. Why? Because I can vary the amount of refrigerant, and it has variable refrigerant flow technology. So let's talk about the many reasons. Let's go inside and look at some of the system designs that Samsung has and talk about why it's so much better. This unit varies the amount of refrigerant it flows to each indoor unit and can have several indoor units on one outside condenser. This right here is the outside condenser, and it has line sets that lead to each unit. They're able to meet the needs of the interior design and layout better and serve the customer better, offering a really nice design of an indoor unit and also something that offers more efficiency. This is Samsung's four-way cassette, able to suck in the middle with the return in the middle where the filter is, and then blow around all four sides. So whereas you didn't have the ability to have that much air movement in a room, you have a four-way cassette. They also have 360 cassettes, which are even more aesthetically pleasing than this four-way cassette. It can mount flush with a drop ceiling. All you see is the fascia panel, and you have different colors to choose from. Samsung is a leader in the ductless market in the HVAC industry. And not only can you choose from a ceiling mount, but you can also choose a wall mount. And these wall mounts can blow upwards of 30, 40 foot. So if you have a building's length that stretches that long, then you have that for this application. Wall mount air handler has a filter up top and draws air up top and then pushes it out the bottom. And you have a vane that moves up and down via a stepper motor to give you a different angle of the airflow. So that is better comfort in the design. Having different indoor unit design types to choose from helps you to serve the needs of your structure and design layout better, to give you options that could be more aesthetically pleasing and to be able to give you air in different places you might not have been able to reach. So this is a good option to meet the needs of your next project, your renovation, your remodel. Just another reason that mini splits, I think, are way better than regular air conditioners, but let's give some more examples. Conventional air conditioning systems have ductwork, and if ductwork is not sealed properly and insulated properly, and it's installed in an unconditioned space like a crawl space or an attic space, then you may have airflow loss through these seams that are not sealed, and you may have heat loss from the ductwork that's not insulated properly. And that right there means inefficient. That means that you're losing efficiency and that you're not saving the money that you could be if you had a ductless unit that doesn't have ductwork. So just another good reason and example of why a ductless mini split like Samsung is the way to go. For conventional air conditioning systems, the remote is usually a wired thermostat That thermostat is placed somewhere in the center location of your home, and that's what's used to operate your air conditioning system. With a ductless mini split, you have more options. You can control your air conditioning system with a wireless remote controller like this that doesn't have to be placed near your air conditioning system, because the unit does not shut off when the location of this is satisfied. It's actually a built-in sensor, and that's way more efficient. You can control it with your phone through a smart app. And that app will allow you to change things like the air conditioning's mode, like the fan speed. You can also have a central control that controls more than one of your air conditioners in your home, so you can simultaneously change the function. It's easy as this. Hear that? Having options is something that you get when you choose to go ductless. Ductless offers different design types to meet the needs of your interior, your structure's layout. You have different flexibility and options with the choice of different types of remotes. I choose Samsung because they have, I think, the best design and support. They're able to meet my needs, and that's able to meet my customers' needs. If you have more questions about Samsung, check out the link in the description. I've got their website, and they have a bunch of information on there to help you. So if you need a unit, please contact me. If you have questions about this video and questions about conventional systems versus ductless mini splits, I definitely want to answer those questions you have. Leave your comment. If you guys like this video and you think it was worth $1, go check out my Patreon right now. Support me, and I'll give you the ability to where you guys can talk to me directly. Thanks for watching. This is Tad with Tips for Homeowners, reminding you that I'll keep you cool if you let me.